Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Brian with Square Foot Gardening for the Red River Valley. And I wanted to spend a little time this morning. I built a bubbler uh, for doing my lettuce greens, and I wanted to share with you how it was going to work. So I went ahead and harvested some lettuce greens. I've got just a typical wash tub with some piping, inch and a quarter PVC piping. And then I have a hose hooked up to the exhaust or the blowing nozzle on a shop vac. And hopefully this will help to speed up my process of cleaning my lettuce greens and getting the mess out of the house instead of using the kitchen sink. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and see how well we can get this to work. I'm going to just shut that off for a second, but for my first observations, boy, it sure rolls that water around and it doesn't let those leaves sit there for any length of time in one spot. So I'm going to go ahead and allow this to churn for a little bit, and then we'll see what we get for results when I'm done.